Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I am actually gonna go see Brooke today. We're gonna have one last pool day before summer ends because technically the first day of fall isn't until the 22nd. We still have one more week left of summer. We want to do a pool day and yeah, have some more girl time because like I said, she's gonna be going back to London in a couple of months and I want to squeeze in as much time to see each other until she goes back. But yeah, I'm already in my bathing suit. I actually have never worn this bathing suit. If you guys remember, this was like in one of my first Shein bathing suit hauls, I think like 3 years ago. I have not worn it until today. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wear it today. It fits a little looser than it did back then. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wear it. And I actually like this. The padding is super folded and bent because it's just been stuffed in my basket for so long. So that is what's causing these like indentations and marks. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I love this two-piece set. It has like a little under boob cut out right here, which I think is so cute. And then these high-waisted bottoms. Making myself some lemon water, fresh lemon water. I'm too lazy to get the lemon squeezer out. So I'm using my hands. Water, good to go. And I'm also going to be wearing a hat this time. Last time I had a really bad sunburn on my nose and my nose was like Rudolph for like a week. So I'm gonna wear a hat this time. I'm just packing this hat from Boba Republic. This gray actually matches the gray trimming on my swimming suit. Let me show you guys what I'm bringing. Again, I'm using this bag that my mom got when we were in Florida. It just says Sunshine. Got this from Ross. I think it was like $10, $11. Got my towel, sunscreen, my hat, my hydro jug, face sunscreen, lip oil, hair tie, and my keys. And that is all I'm bringing with me today. Should I bring some snacks? Like, what can I even bring? I don't even have snacks. I have this, but it's going to melt. These coconut caramel bites, the Girl Scout cookie ones, these are so good, but they're going to melt. Also, I'm just so happy that today is sunny and bright and hot because we did have a cold front earlier last week for like 3 to 4 days, which felt nice, but we planned a pool day today and thank God the weather is nice, sunny, and hot because yesterday was really humid but gloomy. So I'm glad the sun is out. We're gonna get like a nice little tan, enjoy the pool, and have lots of fun. So anyways, dogs are barking, which means I gotta get off the camera and I'll see you guys at Brooks. Oh, whew, the water is nice and cool. Whew. Whew. A bit chilly. Brooke is still inside. She's getting some sunscreen, but oh. All right. Because half of the pool is still shaded. This is like probably the warmest part in the pool. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. We just placed a Uber Eats order from Chipotle, so it should be coming in the next hour. And then she's gonna bring out her little Murphy, her little friend. I'm excited to see her later. Oh, it's cold. Oh my God, it's cold. Okay, I might just sit on the steps. Oh, you got a burrito.
Yes, I did.
Lunchtime. Oh yes, so hungry. Oh, it's so nice here, you guys. I just love this. I love this. Lucine, if you're watching, I miss you. Wish you were here too. Because I know you love this as well. go.
Okay.
I need to go outside. You took my spot. What do you want? You want a belly wrap? Hi. You smelling me? Do you smell my dogs? Do you smell Newman and Menace?
Look at Phoebe's paws compared to her.
That's another one. I didn't know there was another one. Look at her paws.
I call her Grinch feet.
Yes. That's so funny.
Oh, she didn't do it again. She grabbed.
I am back home, showered. It feels good to be fresh. And speaking of the devil, Alexander's calling me. He just got off work. Hey. Hello. All right, I am back. Alexander just got off work, heading home. And my grandma, she made her specialty pho. She actually just got back from Vietnam 2 days ago, and this woman is making pho for the whole village. Girl, rest up. I was debating if I should go get pho or not because I still have that salmon pinwheel with feta cheese and spinach that I need to finish up before it goes bad. It has like 2 more days left. I might just eat that for dinner tomorrow after work. So tonight I can eat my grandma's pho, which you can't not show your face when grandma makes pho, you know? Like, come on now. It's a dishonor. It's a disgrace. It's disrespectful. Alexander is obviously excited to go get some pho at my grandparents. So, should be there in the next half an hour. Yes, I am doing my skincare now because won't be doing it again tonight. But the pool was so nice today. We were in the water for like 2 hours, just chatting away. It's always good hanging out with her, and her house is just so peaceful. I love just being out in the countryside where they're at, and her dogs are so cute. I've been back on my Netflix shows. I've watched season 2 of Worst Roommate Ever. And then I watched the new season of Worst Ex Ever. Those are really good. And then a new Unsolved Mysteries is coming out next month. And I didn't even know that there was a season 4 that is out. So I need to catch up on that this week. But yeah, I've just been back on Netflix ever since watching Selling Sunset. I'm like, you know what? It's been a hot minute since I've watched anything on Netflix. So let me just catch up on all these shows because you guys know I'm always on my TLC. Alright, skincare is done for the night. Even though it's like 4:20, 4:15. All good. Okay. Now I'm just going to feed the dogs, change, and wait until Alexander picks me up.
I'm playing game.
Oh, I haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah, I know. I then play out with Tiffany every time.
Do you want to say anything to my video?
I'm Goo Gaga.
I'm Goo Goo Gaga?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Of course, I am Doo Doo Dada.
Oh, okay.
I gotta find.
This smells amazing. Alexander's already eating. Didn't even wait for me. That's okay. Are you gonna get seconds?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Oh, wow. Shocker. Looks like he's on his second round. Second bowl. I knew you would eat a second bowl. You can't pass up this opportunity.
It's smaller.
Yeah, but still. Back at home. How was the pho?
It's good.
Can we get an Oreo?
You didn't get a $3 Oreos.
We can open it. Just one Oreo.
Is it good? No? Why are you eating?
Just because. I don't know why. It feels a little stale. Ah. What are you smelling? Oh. What's up? Ooh. New 90 Day Fiancé tonight. Oh yeah. That's why I love Sundays. I look forward to Sunday nights because of 90 Day Fiancé. Mm-hmm. Give me your toy. I'll play with you. Toy, give me your toy. Give it to me. Okay. Give it. He runs off. Is he just okay? Well, let him have fun with himself.
He's coming.
He's coming. Give me your toy. Thank you. Go. So cute. Where's Newman?
Right now.
Oh, he's by you. He's looking to see if he can get any nuts.
That's exactly what it is.
Because Alexander's snacking on peanuts right now. And you know dogs, they like to just sit and stand around you waiting for the crumbs to fall down. Nothing beats laying back in bed after a long day. It just feels so nice. Our trip is coming up in 1 week and I am just looking forward to our little vacation. I'm already checked out. I've been checked out last week, but we have 1 more week of work until I can hit vacation mode, and I am looking forward to it. I'm so excited. My next vlog, I'm going to do like a little pack with me and tell you where we're going first, and then we'll go from there. But so excited. It's just gonna fly by, but I'm going to enjoy every moment that we have when that time gets there, and I'm so looking forward to vlogging for you guys what we're gonna get into. Yeah, anyways, I honestly, I don't know what I filmed today. I don't even know if I talked that much in this vlog, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.